It is the second part of AI generation. In this part, we are going to open leonardo.ai. So here is a leonardo.ai platform. You can use Leonardo or any other which you like to generate images from that platform. So I will choose Leonardo. So I just clicked on image, and here you have to set up some important things. Here you have to select model as flux channel. So here is flux channel. Just click flux channel and perform prompt enhance. Select R2 and it is dynamic style. Image dimension, you can choose any image dimension which you want. I will choose custom and 9 ratio 16, which is a mobile dimension. And here number of images you can also select. I have selected 4 number of images, and I am going to delete my previous. So here is 150 credits, and each generation needs 8 credit. So just copy the prompt which I have generated from our first part, and simply copy second prompt and replace over first, and then press enter simply, as well as copy the third one, replace over second and press enter. All generate button like as copy and paste fourth, and I will also copy the fifth, and I will generate this fifth prompt. Now if I scroll down you can see that our 5 prompts image generation has been done. So here are the result. You can see that it gave 2 of men and 3 images for women. So I will download this image. You can download any which you like, as well as if I scroll up, I will download this image also. And one more, I think I have to download. Now in this way, I have downloaded 3 images from Leonardo that I have generated from ChatGPT prompts. In the third video or in the final video, we will conclude our video. I mean, we will generate the final video.